Here we've entered into the 1929 building, and our emphasis here as I'm sitting on these stairs create a challenge for those physically challenged. Whenever we have a student that is in our fourth grade, which is currently up on our second floor, we will move them down and trade them out with another grade for that year. That way the student can be with their classmates. We've also noticed over the years that some of our staff have had some challenges as well, and we have moved their classrooms to accommodate them. We would like to add an elevator to this area so students and staff can go up and down to our second floor. We've continued our journey now outside. We want to show you a few areas that we have. First here, I'm just outside the 1929 building. You can see that we still use window units for our HVAC in the warm months. We would like to propose to remove these windows as well to help with that equation and try to put in new HVAC units that would be much more efficient. Also, as we continue our journey down, you can see that there are two of our three modular classrooms that are out here. These are spaces that were built to be temporary. They've all been here for about 20 plus years, and unfortunately they are just starting to wear out. We are noticing that we have a lot of rot in the floor. Some of our roofs are causing some problems, so we're having some leakage up on top of that. The other one is safety. Our students transition from the 1929 building over to our modulars. There's times when the weather is quite nasty out here, when it is raining or even if the tornado siren is going off. And so we would like to include those classrooms inside our building. Just off to my right here, you can see that we start with the playground area. This is where we would propose that we would add classroom space that would absorb all of these modulars, and underneath there would be our basement space to address that storm shelter idea. We've continued our tour now over to the north side of the grade school campus. We're just outside our third modular. This is our second grade classroom, and this year our at-risk classroom. One can see just outside here where our concern is that we do receive a lot of drainage water coming down in this area. Please note that underneath the trailer that we did have to add a pipe in order to allow that water to move out from underneath this facility and on down the drain. You'll also notice that we have been working on the drainage, trying to move that water, and this is one of the reasons we would like to remove this. We do have this particular facility tested for mold annually. We're happy to say that we have not had any mold in there. However, it is kind of a musty room, and we do take a lot of preventive measures, having scrubbers and those types of equipment in there to make sure that it is a clean environment for our students.